Another interesting tool in a portrait is FaceAI face. Automatically detected the face part and changing them. Okay, let's try with this image. Going to the edit and then portrait FaceAI. First of first, you can change the face light. It's very simple. You can increase or decrease our number face light. Slim face, you can make it face like this, or fatter or thinner. Interesting. You can change the eye. Let's zoom to the eye to see better. In the eye, you can change the color of the eye from here. Interesting. Or you can choose cat, for example, eye for that. Nice. Iris flare. You can add some flare here for iris. Enlarge eye. Enlarge eyes. You can enlarge eye of this lady. You can whitening the eye here. You can whitening the eye. You can see this. Eye enhancer. It means you can see more detail in the eye. This is an eye enhancer. Red eye removal. Let's try with another image. For example, this image. Going to the edit. Going to the edit and the face. From here, you can remove the red eye effect that it's happened when you take a photo. Simply, you remove the red eye. Nice. It's detected automatically. Dark cycle removal. Yeah, it's remove the dark cycle of around the eye. Very simple. Improve eyebrows. Yeah, it's automatically detected eyebrows and automatically darkening them. For mouth, you can change the mouth very easily. Lip saturation, you can increase the number of more saturated and darker lips. Lips redness, yeah. Lips darkening if you want. Or teeth whitening. It's simple. It's automatically detected the teeth and make it more whiter. To better see the lips, you can come here. It's red. Let's try what happens if you change the mouth here. Lip saturation. Yeah, it's getting more saturated, more red, or more dark. And a little bit teeth here. Interesting. It's automatically detected little teeth from here. Okay, this is FaceAI. You can play with it. It's automatically detected the face parts and it's changed them. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.